Hi, my name is Courtney and I'm a professional esthetician. I get to spend my day helping people learn how to take care of their skin. Today, I am thrilled to talk to you about my favorite product of all time, the TeMana Noni Brightening Serum. Now, if you think about all of the different products that TeMana has to offer, the serum is at the very top. It is extremely important and has a huge concentration of noni seed oil, and it's honestly where the story of TeMana kind of began. It's incredible. This is my friend Jess. She is with me here today. She's going to help us to learn how to apply the serum and how to incorporate it into your daily regimen every morning and night. Have you used a serum before?
I don't think I have, actually. Yeah, I'm really excited.
You are going to absolutely love the way that this serum makes you feel. It's amazing.
Great.
The serum is by far the most exciting part of taking care of your skin because it's the pinnacle of the entire skincare regimen. It is the entire reason of why you're cleansing and refining and toning your skin. Those steps help to prepare the skin to absorb as much serum as possible. This serum is loaded with noni seed oil, and that helps the product to absorb deep into the skin. It will help the other products within the regimen to absorb into your skin as well.
Great.
Now, the noni inside of this serum helps to brighten and illuminate the skin. It gives it this really healthy and youthful glow. It's moisturizing, it's glowing, it's honestly the look that everybody is going for because healthy skin is always in. One of my favorite parts of noni, and this serum in particular, is it helps to reverse hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation is extremely common. It's a really common skin problem that people deal with when they are outside all the time or, going to or from work. Their skin gets damaged like sunspots, age spots, or often pregnancy mask or melasma occurs from different hormonal changes in the skin and can also leave hyperpigmentation. So the noni is going to go deep into the skin and help reverse hyperpigmentation, giving you that healthy, youthful glow. Now, the way a serum differs from the other products in the regimen is the way that it's composed. It's got this really cool composition of this kind of half liquid, half moisturized feel. Go ahead and rub this on your hands and get a feel of how that is. It's not oily, it's not greasy. It's amazing because the way a serum is designed to work is it's going to penetrate into the very deepest layers of your skin, where collagen and elastin are made. Now, the more collagen and elastin your skin produces, the younger your skin looks. So it makes sense that we want to deliver as much noni as we possibly can down to the deepest layers of the skin. The serum is kind of like the delivery truck that is able to do that. It loads up all of the nutrients, moisture, and noni that your skin needs in order to be youthful and glowing, and it takes it all the way into the deepest layers of the skin where collagen and elastin are produced.
Oh, nice.
Now, you want to use serum every morning and every night in order to get the very best results for your skin. And you're probably honestly going to want to use it a lot more than that because it's so refreshing and amazing. To get started, you need to make sure that you cleanse, refine, and tone the face. Now, Jess here has already done all of those steps. So we get to do the exciting part of applying the serum. You're going to feel a completely different feeling on your face when we apply this because it's jam-packed full of tons of nutrients and noni, and it's really going to get deep into your pores. What makes a serum different from the other products that you're using in your regimen is its composition. It's really unique because it's kind of half liquidy, half moisturizer, and the reason why it's composed that way is because it's able to drive deeper into the deepest layers of the skin. Now go ahead and take this and you can rub it on your fingers. How does that feel?
It does kind of feel like half liquid, half moisturizer. Yeah, like it's really nice.
It's light and it absorbs almost immediately into your fingertips. And that's exactly the job that it's supposed to do. It's kind of like a delivery truck. It's taking the most important ingredients that your skin needs and driving it all the way into the deepest layers of the skin where collagen and elastin are made. Now, the more collagen and elastin that your skin has, the younger and more youthful your skin will look. So it makes sense that you want to take as many ingredients as you possibly can down to those layers where collagen and elastin are being produced. It's also important to take the noni that far because the noni is brightening and illuminating the skin. It's acting as an antioxidant, so it's helping to refresh the skin and helping to heal any damage that may be occurring underneath the surface as well as on top of the surface, which is one of the reasons that makes this serum very unique.
I mean, it's already absorbed into my fingertips, so
it's amazing how quickly. Yes, it's very important that you use the serum every morning and night. And to be quite honest, you're probably going to want to use the serum more often than that because it feels so good, and you're going to see a huge difference in the way that your skin looks and feels. Before using the serum, you need to properly cleanse, refine, and tone the face. Now, Jess here has already done all of those things. Her face is ready to absorb the serum. So make sure that your fingertips are clean, which they are. And we're going to put a large dropper amount. I'm going to get a few droppers because we want to apply this serum to your face, your neck, and your décolleté, which is your chest area. Now, do not put your fingers together yet.
Oh, okay.
This is my favorite secret. Do not rub the serum together. It will make the serum absorb into your fingertips. Just like how we just did, this serum was already absorbed into our hands. You need to apply the serum differently than all of the other products because of its composition. So you're going to tap and use only tapping movements. We call this tapotement. You're going to lightly tap the serum onto your face, kind of like you're playing the piano, like this with your fingertips. Perfect. And apply the serum to all of the places that your skin especially feels dehydrated. Most common areas for this include around the nose and underneath the eyes. Now, a lot of people complain of deep set dark circles. That's caused from dehydration underneath the eyes, and your skin underneath your eyes is more fragile and delicate, and it gets dehydrated a lot quicker just because it has less oil glands. So it's perfectly distributed as well.
Good. Okay.
Yes, we're going to take some more and do the same application process to your neck and to your chest using tapotement, the light tapping method.
Okay.
And you can see that her face looks very dewy and moist. That means that the serum is on her face and not her fingertips because of the way she applied it, because she was using the technique of tapotement. And it feels kind of funny at first, but you're a professional esthetician. Look at you. And your skin is absolutely radiating right now.
Yeah, I can definitely feel it. It feels really nice right now on my skin.
Use a little bit more tapotement on your neck area right here so that way it can absorb perfectly, just like that. And with any extra serum that you feel on your fingers, bring back up to underneath your eyes.
Okay.
I like to apply evenly on my face, my neck, and my décolleté, and then come back with more serum to the areas that need more brightening from the noni or nourishment as well from the serum composition and the noni as well. Doing this consistently is going to drastically change the way that your skin looks, and you're honestly going to give this illuminated glow that you're showing right now throughout the day. The noni seed oil in this serum is helping the product to absorb as deep as it possibly can, and it's going to hold this moisture throughout the entire day or the entire night if you're applying it at nighttime. How does your skin feel? Does it feel greasy at all?
It doesn't feel greasy. No. You can definitely feel that there is something on my skin, but it's very light. So my skin's not itching or feeling like it's going to break out. So it's very light and it's moisturizing. Like you can feel it starting to sink into my skin right now.
Exactly. That's why it's so important to prepare your skin with the cleansing, the refining, and the toning, because what we've done is we've cleaned those pores out, and now it's kind of like a sponge ready to soak in all of the noni and extra vitamins that are included in this serum. And so your skin right now is doing exactly that. It's absorbing it. Do not wipe the extra serum off your face. Do not wash your face afterwards. This product is meant to absorb directly into the skin, especially to do the job that it's intended to. Now, if you have extra serum that you like to use, then you can also apply it on your hands, which, do you want some for your hands?
Sure.
And you can apply it to other dry areas of your skin, like your elbows or your knees. Yes. All of that. And the reason why I'm rubbing it into my hands and not tapping it is because it's being absorbed into my hands. I only don't want to rub on my face because then it will be more likely to drive into my fingertips instead of my face. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
It does. You don't want to get all the benefits just to your fingers. So
yes, exactly. And the best tip ever is to apply extra serum underneath your eyes for the dark circles that everyone has from dehydration and, lack of oil in those areas. So if you have any questions or comments, please reach out to the person who shared this video with you, and they will be so excited to introduce you to the serum and to help you get started with it in your daily regimen every morning and every night. You can also send your questions to our Facebook page or go to www.morinda.com to purchase the TeMana Noni Brightening Serum today. I am excited for you to start using this every morning and night. Your skin is going to look like Jess's here, glowing and radiating. Thank you so much for coming and being here with me today, and thank you for listening, and I'm excited for you to get started with this product.